Hey there, welcome to this tutorial on creating a mobile-friendly version of your WordPress website. If you've ever visited a site on your phone and struggled to read text, click buttons, or navigate menus, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to make sure your WordPress site looks great and works smoothly on any device. First, let's open your preferred web browser and go to your WordPress website. Take a moment to let the homepage load fully. This gives you time to get familiar with the layout and all the options you have as both a visitor and an administrator. At the top right corner, you'll notice the login option. Go ahead and click on that. For convenience, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. It's fast, secure, and saves you from typing in passwords manually. If your Google account is already linked, you'll be logged in almost instantly, which is perfect when you want to get started quickly. Once you're logged in, now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. Clicking this opens the WordPress site editor, which is where you can make real-time changes to your site. Think of it as your control center for designing and adjusting how your website appears to visitors. Now, let's take a closer look at the editor. At the top right, you'll see a few icons. One of these shows the desktop view. Clicking this will display how your site looks on a computer screen. Even though our main goal is a mobile optimization, it's helpful to see the desktop version first. This gives you perspective and helps ensure your design is consistent across all devices. Next up is the mobile view, which is exactly what we need. Click the mobile icon, and your site will instantly reformat to show how it looks on a smartphone or tablet. Take your time here, check the layout, the size of your text, how images scale, and whether the navigation menu is easy to use. If anything looks cramped or out of place, don't worry. You can adjust it right from the editor. For example, sometimes images may be too large for smaller screens, or buttons might overlap. WordPress makes it easy to resize images, adjust padding, or even rearrange elements so everything looks clean and readable. Remember, a mobile-friendly site isn't just about looks. It's about making your site easy to navigate for your visitors. Here's a tip. Try scrolling through your site in mobile view as if you were a visitor. Click the menus, read the text, and make sure buttons are easy to tap. Small changes here can make a huge difference in user experience, and Google actually rewards mobile-friendly sites with better search rankings. Once you've made all the adjustments, your site is ready for mobile users. Visitors will now have a smooth, seamless experience whether they're on a phone, tablet, or desktop. Optimizing your site for mobile doesn't just improve accessibility, it also helps you reach a wider audience and makes your website feel professional and modern. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a mobile-friendly version of your WordPress website. Take a moment to enjoy your work, explore the editor further, and maybe even experiment with new layouts or features. Your visitors and your search rankings will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Now go ahead and enjoy your fully mobile-ready website.